To enhance the installation loop on your Nintendo Switch, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Make sure your Nintendo Switch is running the latest system software. Head to System Settings, scroll down to System, and select System Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 2. Free up storage space. Ensure you have enough storage space on your console. Go to System Settings, select Data Management, and check your available space. Delete any unused games or data to create more room for newer installations. Step 3. Use a high-quality micro SD card. If you are using a micro SD card for additional storage, ensure it is a high-speed card UHS or UHS Roman 2 with sufficient capacity. This will help improve installation speeds and overall performance. Step 4. Restart your console. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve installation issues. Hold down the power button, select Power Options, and then choose Restart. This can clear temporary glitches that may be affecting installation. Step 5. Reinstall problematic games. If a specific game is causing issues during installation, try deleting it and reinstalling it from the eShop or your library. This can resolve any corrupted data that may be hindering the installation process. By following these steps, you can improve the installation loop on your Nintendo Switch and enjoy a better gaming experience.